Okay, here we have another question of probability. This question is from November 2017, paper 1, question 19. According to this question, each time an archer fires an arrow, the probability that she hits the target is 0.7 and she fires 2 arrows. So the probability if it hits the target is 0.7. So if doesn't hit the target or miss the target, then it will be remaining from 1, because we know that I have explained this in detail in the explanation of probability, that the total probability of any event is equal to 1. So here we have two types of event. When she throw this, either it will hit the target or it will miss the target. So if it hits the target, the probability is 0.7. So if we minus the probability of hit the target from 1, the remaining is 0.3. So it means that if she throw the archer or if it's missed, then the probability is 0.3. So if the target hit, then the probability is 0.7 given in the question, and if it is missed, then the probability is 0.3. Similarly, for the second one also, if the target hit, the probability is 0.7, and if it is missed, the probability is 0.3. Okay. Similarly, for the second one also, maybe the first target is missed and the second target is hit, so the probability is 0.7. Maybe the first target is missed and the second target is also missed, then the probability is 0.3. So we have completed the tree diagram as a part. Okay. Now in the second part they are saying find the probability that she hits the target twice. So it means both times the target is hit. Okay. So it means the probability of hit and hit. Okay. So as we know that n means multiply. So the probability of first hit is 0.7. Multiplied by the probability of second hit is also 0.7. So we will multiply 0.7 multiplied by 0.7. So the 7 times 7 is 49. And then after two values we will mark the decimal. So the answer is 0.49. Now in the second part they are saying she hits the target exactly once. She hits the target exactly once. So it means if she hit the target at the first time, second time it will miss, or if it missed first time, then the second time it will hit. So here we have two possibilities. Okay, how we will mention these two possibilities? See, here we will write maybe the first time it hit and second time it will miss. Okay, or the second condition is maybe first time it will miss and second time it will hit. So it will fulfill the condition of the question. The question is she hits the target exactly once. So as it was given in the question that she will throw the arrow 2 times. Okay, she fires 2 arrows. When she fires 2 arrows, so it means that first time maybe it will hit and the second time it will miss, because it will exactly hit once. Okay, so first time it hit, second time it will miss, or the first time miss and the second time hit. Now if we write the probabilities of this, the probability of hit is 0.7, n means multiply, and the probability of miss is 0.3. Or means add. Okay, so we will write the addition sign, that maybe first time it will miss, so probability is 0.3, and the second time it will hit, so the probability is 0.7. Now we will multiply this and find the answer. So 0.7 multiplied by 0.3, 7 times 21, and then after 2 values we will mark the decimal. And similarly here we have same values, 0.3 multiplied by 0.7, so this is also 0.21. Now if we add these two, it is 0.42. So the answer of this part is 0.42. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. The most important thing here is to remember that the total probability of any event is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, so the probability of only hit is given in the question, that is 0.7. So 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. So the remaining 0.3 is the probability of miss, as we have mentioned on the tree diagram. Okay, so the probability of hit was given in the question, and we have written the probability of miss by subtracting this probability from 1, because the total probability of any event is equal to 1. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.